how do you feel today? Fine. Anybody is feeling yellowish? And yellow reflecting the color of the sun, and the sun representing a source of energy. So automatically yellow is a color that makes you feel bright and happy. And to go with the color, luckily if you look outside, what's the weather like? Is it a cloudy day or a sunny day? Sunny day. So we are going to be in a very, very bright and sunny mood because today is introduction to EPL. Everybody knows what EPL stands for. Exercises of practical life. What are these exercises of practical life? Daily routine and what role it plays in the life of the child. Yesterday, day 1, remember we gave you insight into a lot of Montessori ideas. We spoke about Dr. Maria's life history. Then we got brief introduction of each subject and some of the most important theories. But now, in an isolated way, we are going to be focusing on each subject. Soon, if you have your program and you have seen your program in detail, you will realize basically 2 days are devoted per subject. But practical becomes meaningless unless, of course, you have a very good idea as to the theory. So, before each presentation day, you are going to be having a detailed introductory lecture about the subject. Our subject today is EPL, and to give you the introduction lecture, EPL, Exercises of Practical Life, let's call upon Mrs. Meher Javed. Can we welcome her?
Now today is our EPL day, Exercises of Practical Life, and we will begin with the exercises. If you just think back, what are the daily things we are doing in our routine? Every day in his life, around him, are his activities of practical life. Practical life means what we are doing and daily routine things which become part of our life. And child is seeing them from the very day he is coming into this world. When the child is young, we feel that the child will not notice or he will not understand. But the child understands, he tries to gather the images in his life, and then he will also start doing the same thing because he has to develop his personality from achieving the basic aims of these exercises. And how child will do it? He will be attracted to them and he will repeat them. So these are simple activities. When Dr. Maria Montessori was in Casa di Bambini, there were a variety of exercises. She brought in different things because when she was working with the children for the first time, the normal children, and how to normalize them, she brought in a variety of activities because she herself says that she had no curriculum at that time. So there were toys, there were daily life activities, there was learning material, and the children were attracted to the simple daily actions. And they wanted to do the cleaning, the sweeping, polishing, picking up the dishes, carrying trays, things from here to there. And these were the activities which attracted the child very much. And they felt associated with the environment around them. Yes, my mother is doing this. Yes, at home I see this. Even in those times, the children were attracted. And up to today, children are attracted to these simple daily exercises. And they want to do them. So what happens is that this Dr. Maria Montessori observed when the children are doing these exercises, they are developing their physique, and through that activity they are also developing their mental activities. Physically the child is developing by using the muscles. The coordination is developing. The hand and eye coordination is developing. The muscles of the body are developing. And child is attracted to the activities because they are colorful. They are in a real situation. There is no supposing that suppose we have this, and the material they use are real things, real objects. In practical life, everything is worked in a real situation. Child is taking in things by himself. He is working, he is repeating, he is using the water, he is using sponge for sponging, real things which he is seeing around him. He is going to the plants, he is watering the plants, he is picking up the leaves, getting the feel of the leaves in his hands. So these are the things which child is seeing and he is associating himself. But we always start from the very simple and the easy things. Everybody knows how to hold the tray. Child will also be able to do it. But once he is in the prepared environment, it is the duty of the directress to guide the child to use the things properly and carefully. So whenever she is ready to give the presentation, the directress should always check the material first. The material should be clean, attractive, it should not be broken, nothing should be missing, everything should be complete and orderly. Only then you invite the child. And the place of preparation, that has also to be prepared. If it is a floor exercise, there should be a proper mat for sitting where you will keep the material, where you will seat the child and then start the presentation. During the presentation, the child should be seated comfortably. Child will be working after that. First the presentation, the teacher will show, the directress will guide the child how to do the exercise, and then the material is handed over to the child. Then he will start his activity. So the exercises of practical life are divided into 4 main groups. First is the elementary exercises. In the elementary exercises, we will be doing simple activities, beginning with holding a tray, holding a jug, holding a spoon, carrying a glass of water.
Taking off.
Yes. And with each exercise there is a directive which is visible, which you can see. And behind that there is also an indirect aim. The indirect aim is usually related to the development of the child. Although everybody is not aware about it, but the directress understands. She is aware that okay, if child will do this, then he will gain certain benefits, such as developing hand and eye coordination, concentration, patience. So child will be giving full attention to these activities, and through that he will develop his personality. And the greater the interest and the concentration, more will be the mental development. Child has to work at the expense of the environment. Child is working, he is taking it from the environment. From where? From the environment. And the environment should be such that the child is able to work at his own pace. He will not be disturbed by anything. The material should be such that he will be able to go and pick it up and use it. He should not be disturbed by the path. If there is not enough space, then also child is disturbed. Where to go, where to pick the material, where to keep the material. So there should be ample space. Child will pick up the exercise and then start working. After the first group, then there is the second group, which is the second group of people. Personal care. Child knows how to do the simple activities. Then we introduce the child.
It's all about independence. It's all about everyday life. And what and how EPA is introduced to the child. Now you shall be seeing in the presentation. For the presentation, as you can see, we shall be using this area for presentation, but there is that screen where you will be able to focus and get the clear view, focused view of the real action. So if you need to turn around, you may do so. You do have the program and you will be seeing the name Today and tomorrow, we call it the team. The team for the EPL presentation is Miss Nadia Mukhtar and Miss Aisha. I'm not going to be giving you any more detail about them. Their presentation, their action would speak for itself, and I am sure they will be giving it their 100% the very best. So good luck, and it's all over to you. If you need to use the mic or if you need a minute or two. Anyone who has not signed this yet? Kindly do so, Miss Rakshi, she's outside. And again, I'm reminding, and I shall be reminding this throughout the day, the program inshallah will be beginning starting each day at 9 sharp. And in order to do that, you the participant try to be here by 8:45 so that all is settled in and all hustle bustle is taken care of before the real program begins.
Yes, you are looking so fine. And after that, okay. Now, first, today is the EPL day. EPL stands for Exercise of Practical Life. As Ma'am Meher said, as Ma'am Meher has given the lecture about the EPL. EPL has 4 groups. The first is elementary group. The second is personal care. The third one is the care of environment. And fourth is grace and courtesy. First, we proceed the elementary group. Elementary group have also 3 subdivisions. First is basic elementary, second is elementary exercises, and third one is higher elementary. So we have to proceed the first group, that is basic elementary. Whenever we give any presentation to the child, we have to keep some points in our mind. First, we have to check the place of the presentation. Second, the material. Then we have to prepare ourselves physically also and also mentally. Then first, I'll check the place of the presentation. Place of the presentation is so clear. And after that, we have to check the material. What we have to give. The first exercise is holding a tray. We have to check the material for holding a tray. And the material is just a colorful tray. The direct aim of the holding a tray is to learn a proper way of holding a tray. And the indirect aims are coordination of muscular movement, the concentration, the balance, the patience, the eye-hand coordination, and independence. The age for this exercise is 2.5 years old. Okay, now I'll check the material. I'll check the place of the presentation, and then I'll check the material here. Okay, now I'll take the consent. First I'll prepare physically. Now first I'll tie the dupatta. Hello Aisha, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
You are looking so nice today, Aisha. Yeah, Aisha. Are you doing something special? Okay. Auntie wants to show you something special. Would you like to come with me? Okay, come along with me. Watch me carefully how Auntie will hold the tray. Did you hear any sound, Aisha?
No, Auntie.
Did you hear any sound, Aisha?
No.
Did you hear any sound?
No, Auntie.
Okay, Aisha. Would you like to perform this activity again?
No, Auntie.
Okay, Aisha. We never leave the things to the place of the presentation. We have to put it back. Now, please put it back, Aisha. Urusa. Okay. How are you, Urusa?
I'm fine, Auntie.
Okay, Urusa. Urusa, would you like to work with me?
Yes, Auntie.
Okay, Auntie will show the opening and closing of bottle tops. Would you like to come along with me? Now watch me carefully how Auntie will open the bottle. Open, it's open. Now, we never leave the things open in the environment. We have to close the cap.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon. Assalamu alaikum. एक बात मैं बताऊं, मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? आप लोगों की मुस्कुराहटें, इसका मतलब ये है कि you people are enjoying. That's lovely. And when you are enjoying, इसका मतलब ये है कि you are learning. और अगर लर्न कर रही है तो इसका मतलब ये है कि you are going towards the goal of Montessori. We live in Montessori age. तो बड़े मजे की बात मैं बता दूं आपको, टॉपिक ये वो फ्लाई सब कुछ आएंगे, लेकिन Montessori age will remain. This is the only age जो कि 100 साल के बाद, 200 साल के बाद भी रहेगा. Long live Montessori. प्रेजेंटेशन आप लोग देख रहे हो, दैट्स लवली. मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं, आप हमारे एक्सपर्ट्स की एज पर मत जाइए, उनके काम को देखिए. और पर्सनली तौर पर मैंने खुद महसूस किया कि they are doing super. बहुत अच्छा लगा. Big hand to these. सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज इन तमाम काम में कंसंट्रेशन. जब आप कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हो तो इसका मतलब यह है कि whoever is giving you presentation वाकई competent enough to make you concentrate on certain point. और यही एक बेसिक उसूल है किसी भी चीज को सीखने का. कुछ एक्सरसाइजेस हो चुकी हैं and lot more to go. ख्याल रखिएगा, पेशेंस जरूरी है. ये जो स्मॉल एक्सरसाइजेस हैं, आपको ताज्जुब होगा, ये बेस है हमारी जिंदगियों का. क्योंकि बच्चा बेस है ना, और बच्चा अगर ये सीखेगा तो वो एक रिफाइंड जेंटल मैन एंड जेंटल वुमन. बच्चे को यही एज है कि जब उसको किसी गाइडेंस की जरूरत है, स्पिरिचुअल गाइडेंस, फिजिकल गाइडेंस. और मजे की बात यह है कि आप उस वक्त इस काबिल होंगे कि जब आप इस सिस्टम को समझ सकेंगे. बच्चा जो है, आपने जहां उसको गाइड करना शुरू कर दिया तो बच्चा बिदक जाएगा. इफ आई एम सेइंग गाइडिंग का मतलब ये है आपने उसके एनर्जीज को डाइवर्ट करना. बच्चे में एक बड़ी खूबी है और ये अल्लाह ताला ने खास तौर पर बच्चे में रखी है. अगर ये ना हो तो बच्चे को कंट्रोल करना बहुत क्या है? कहते जी मैं तो चल रही सुपर फूड नहीं हाँ नहीं This is extraordinary achievement and we are having 3 or 4 expertise like that जिन्होंने अब तक हमारे 21 years में 90 plus लिए. It's the difficult achievement. It's not impossible. She is wife of a colonel. इनके 2 बच्चे माशाल्लाह 9th और 8th में हैं और डेफिनेटली अब इनके पास अच्छा खासा टाइम है. मैंने इनसे अभी यही पूछा था कि आप मुझे बताइए कि हाउ यू अचीव दैट 90 प्लस. तो टाइम दैट्स द इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग. डेफिनेटली टाइम जो है बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. कंसंट्रेशन मेडिटेशन वगैरह जो है वो है. तो इनको खास तौर पर जो है हमने रिक्वेस्ट की है, इन्वाइट किया है पिंडी से कि भाई क्या कहते हैं जब भी प्रोग्राम हो रहा हो सेमिनार वगैरह में तो आए और आप यहाँ पर जो उसको अटेंड करें. Get yourself more involved with the whole system and be very.
Yesterday we spoke about yellow, the coordination, and people even have been dressed in yellow. There's yellow here, there, yellow sunflower. But that is beside the point. The yellow matter, the real energy, the sun energy that came today was the EPL presentation. So a big hand for the Miss Nadia. Assisted by Miss Aisha and the team. It's an art to give presentation. Do you know why? Because we adults are so comfortable in doing everyday thing according to our pace. I mean, you know, we hold a cup, we put it down, and you're washing dishes in the kitchen. You're making so much noise. We walk quickly. Our daily routine. Try to focus your one day in your house the way you do your work. We do it very quickly. We are always rushing for time, and that is how the adult work. But here to give the presentation, what are we doing? We are doing it according to the pace of the child. We would want him to understand and watch our movement. Because if you do it quickly in fast forward action, he will not grasp anything. And that is the art, and that's what EPL presentation is all about. Your movement, the graceful movement, the coordination, the way she held, the way she gripped, and slowly it was poured into waiting for the concentration. All that is EPL. Inshallah, tomorrow you will be seeing lots more of the EPL. If you have been watching the program, you will realize after the presentation of each subject, either the second day or the third day, the first thing in the morning, there is something called activity. Did you see that in the program? So what are these activities? Yeah, you don't want to come here for 15 days and we are the only one who we are talking, we are lecturing, we are presenting, and there you are sitting like, you got to participate, right? So it's going to be your time, and it's going to be an assessment for us to judge our presentation. How much have you understood? What were the real important points? And how much can you apply it into real life? For all participants, we would like to tell you that always keep in your mind as a directress that EPL is the only subject introduced by Montessori which there is no limit to. In sensorial, when you see sensorial, you cannot reduce a presentation, you cannot include a new presentation. But in EPL, there is no limit. Why? Think about that. EPL is the daily life practical exercise. And in India, there might be one way of holding a spoon to eat rice. Work on it. And inshallah, as I said, Friday morning, first thing we will have the presentation of EPL activity. This is going to bring us to the end of yet another day. And let us thank God Almighty that everything was fine. The weather was fine, the day was fine. It turned out to be a lovely day, a perfect day. especially for you. Take a look, learn something, read something that's there for you, and gain something for the future. Hopefully, see you all tomorrow. One thing to keep in mind, the program will begin exactly 9 o'clock, so be here 8:45 and do not reserve any seat. Okay, you come, whatever seat first come, first serve. Do not put any bags for your friends and so on. That doesn't seem nice. Okay, Allah Hafiz, see you tomorrow inshallah.